Hey guys, I'm on lesson 19. I'm going to help you with number 1, 2, and 3. We are working on word problems. So to start, they're asking us to first read the word problem and then draw a tape diagram and label. Now, I hope some of you remember, we've gone over tape diagrams before, but they look like this. And these are super important for when you get into second and third grade because you're going to be using these tape diagrams a lot. So we're practicing them now. So draw a tape diagram and then write a number sentence to match. And then a statement, we're going to fill in the statement here. So to start, we're going to read. Lee saw 6 squashes and 7 pumpkins growing in her garden. How many vegetables did he see growing in his garden? So we've read the word problem. Now we're going to draw a tape diagram. And the first number I remember is 6. Lee saw 6 squashes. So I'm going to do a quick math drawing. That means just a circle or a dot, 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. And notice they're in a line because tape diagrams, if you remember, it's like a piece of tape. It's long in a rectangle. So 6 squashes, and I'm going to put that in its little piece of tape. And 7 pumpkins. So on this other side, I'm going to draw my 7 pumpkins. Again, it's a quick math drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And another piece of tape right here for our tape diagram. Now, remember, it asked us to label the picture. So how many was in here? We had 6, so I'm going to write it on top. And how many on this side? That was 7 pumpkins. So 7 here. Now, if you look up here, we've done ours just a little bit different, but I'm going to pull down my answer. Okay? And 6 and 7. So I could solve this a couple different ways. I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I already know there's 6 here. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've got 13 all together. That's 13 vegetables in Lee's garden. Now, let's see, it's asking us to write a number sentence. So we've got all the numbers here ready to go. I see a 6. So we've got, let's write it up here, 6 and 7. So if we're doing an all together, we're doing an adding problem, an addition problem. So I'm going to do plus 6 plus 7 equals, and we've already found the answer, 13. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Here's the statement that they want us to fill in. Lee saw how many vegetables? 13. And there we go. Let's do number 2. Kiana caught 6 lizards. Her brother caught 6 snakes. How many reptiles do they have together? We've read the problem. Now let's draw our tape diagram. So we had Kiana with 6 lizards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a piece of tape. Her brother caught 6 snakes. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a piece of tape. Now we need to label. So we had 6 lizards and 6 snakes. Okay. We're going to pull that down to find our answer. Now I know a lot of you know this double, 6 plus 6, but we can also count on. So I can say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now it's asking us to write a number sentence. So I'm going to write it up here. We've got 6. And are we doing an adding or subtracting number sentence? If it says all together, we're doing adding. And we've got another 6 equals, and we've already found our answer is 12. Kiana and her brother have 12 reptiles. All right. And the last one is just a bit different. It says Anton's team has 12 soccer balls on the field and 3 soccer balls in the coach's bag. How many soccer balls does Anton's team have? Okay, it's a little different because we have a big number here. So the first thing we do is read the problem. We can check that off our list. Next thing, draw a tape diagram. Now 12, that's a lot. So here we go. Ready? All in a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a really long piece of tape. So there's our piece of tape for the 12. And we had 3 soccer balls on the field. 1, 2, 3. Remember, they're all in a straight line so that our tape can connect. And I'm going to label it. So we had 12 on this one and 3 on this one. Okay. Bring it on down to find the answer. Do I have to count all these circles again? No, because I know that there's 12 here. So I'm just going to say 12, 13, 14, 15. I can count on. That makes it much easier and quicker. Now I'm going to turn this into a number sentence. We've got 12 and 3, and we're doing an adding sentence because we wanted to know how many soccer balls they had together equals 15. There's our answer. And Anton's team has 15 soccer balls. All right. Now the one thing I wanted to point out for all of these is these numbers that you use to label your tape diagram have to match the numbers in your number sentence. If they don't, then we've got the wrong numbers. So notice I have 6, 7, and 13. I used all 3 of those numbers in my number sentence. You've got to make sure you're using the same numbers. Look, 6, 6, 12. Perfect. 12, 3, 15. All right. Good luck.